Go. Here we are in Lake Minnewaska. Just got to the lake, at the beach yet, but Nico could not wait to get in the water. There he is running. He's gonna get in.
Come on, baby. Come on, my baby. Come on, my Nico. Oh.
There goes Nico swimming.
He's swimming. Go, Nico. Did you see him swim? It's really deep.
Oh my gosh. He's fearless. How beautiful the lake is.
Come here, my Nico. Come here. He's swimming, honey. Look. Come here, my baby. Good boy, Nico.
Yeah, let me take a picture.